This is a demonstration of creating a schema in Glozz that contains another schema. So, to show you a bit of context here, what we have is we currently have this piece of dialogue with one schema, this complex discourse unit schema here, that contains 3 units. So the first unit is this segment here that says also Rennick, be careful holding lots of resources. The second unit, if someone holds a 7. And the third unit, I think you lose cards. There's an explanation relation between this first and second unit. So be careful holding lots of cards because if somebody rolls a 7. And a conditional between if somebody rolls a 7, I think you lose cards. And what we'd like to observe here is that actually these 2 units which have the conditional relation between them form a single complex unit. If someone rolls a 7, I think you lose cards. And that complex unit is in turn the explanation for this first sentence here. So we want to go from this situation where this sentence alone is the explanation for this first sentence to the preferable situation where the unit which includes these last 2 sentences, if someone rolls a 7, I think you lose cards, is the explanation for the first unit. So to do this, the first thing we're going to do is to remove some units from one of the existing schemas that we have. So this schema currently contains all 3 units, and we want to get rid of the first one. So that's that first unit gone, and we now just have a schema that is this conditional here. If someone rolls a 7, I think you lose cards. Now we create a new schema that will contain all of these. And right now, so this new schema that we have is empty. And we want to add back the unit that we had removed earlier. And secondly, we want to add the schema as to be embedded in this one. So we use the Add Schema button and select the schema that we want to add. And there we have it. We have this new complex discourse unit schema, which has as contents the first sentence as a segment and the schema here with these 2 sentences.